Hey there! Have you ever encountered the problem of not being able to access certain websites on your computer? That can be quite frustrating, especially when you need to browse the web for work or personal reasons. The inability to visit specific websites can be a common issue that many users face, but luckily, there is a solution to this problem. The solution to this problem lies in adjusting the DNS settings on your computer. By changing the DNS server address to a different one, you can potentially resolve the issue of not being able to access certain websites. You can do this by accessing the network settings on your computer and entering a new DNS server address provided by your internet service provider or a public DNS service like Google DNS. By updating the DNS settings on your computer, you might be able to successfully access the websites that were previously inaccessible. Sometimes, issues with DNS settings can prevent your computer from reaching certain websites. So making this simple adjustment can make a big difference in your browsing experience. Give it a try and see if it helps solve the problem you are experiencing. In summary, if you ever find yourself unable to access specific websites, try adjusting the DNS settings on your computer to see if that resolves the issue. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Remember, a good DNS joke never gets old.